Hey, if you want to use AirDrop on your iPhone 17, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings and just make sure that you have turned on AirDrop sharing. So we have to go for General, go for About, go into the AirDrop, which is located here, and select everyone for 10 minutes or contacts only. And on this second device, you will have to also check if you turn on that option, bringing devices together. And right now, on this device that I'm gonna send, for example, the photos, we have to just open any photo that we want, tap on it. Now we have to click on the share button on the left bottom corner, put the phones together and click AirDrop icon. Now we should actually get this information, that sound, and it will open after it will be sent successfully. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, that's how the AirDrop work on the iPhones. In this case, we are using the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 12.